Hello students, welcome to the class. So again you are with your teacher Ragini Tiwari, and as we have already started the chapter Lost Spring and we have finished some part of the story. Now let's come to the next part of the story. So here we are students. When the narrator in previous paragraph, when the narrator described the pitiable condition of the rag pickers, okay, and the boys were longing for the shoes, and the narrator has narrated two stories taking example of those children, okay. My acquaintance with the barefoot rag pickers leads me to Simapuri, a place on the periphery. My acquaintance, here acquaintance, it is the hard word, and periphery of Delhi, yet miles away from it. Metaphorically, those who live here are squatters who came from Bangladesh back in 1971. Sahib's family is among them. Simapuri was then a wilderness. It still is, but is no longer empty. In structures of mud with roofs of tins and tarpaulin, devoid of sewage, drainage, or running water, live 10,000 rag pickers. Leave 10,000 rag pickers. So students, here first of all, what is the meaning of acquaintance? Note it down somewhere. Acquaintance means relative or the contact. Relatives or the contact. Okay, the person who is in your contact, who is your relative. Periphery means outer area of, here it has written Delhi, so it means outer area of Delhi. Outer area of Delhi. Metaphorically means symbolically. Metaphorically means symbolically. Squatters means who occupies unused land illegally. Who occupies or captured unused land unlawfully or illegally. And wilderness means a wasteland. Tarpaulin, a heavy waterproof cloth. Tarpaulin is a heavy waterproof cloth. So let's begin the explanation of this paragraph. So the writer describes the area where the rag picker boys live. Here in this paragraph, the writer describes that area where the rag picker boy, the boy like Sahib Alam, used to live. Okay? And Simapuri located on the outer area of Delhi. The area here it has been described that the Simapuri, the area name is Simapuri, which is located on the outer area of Delhi. Simapuri is the outer area of Delhi. Simapuri is the outer part of Delhi. Okay? Was very different from the capital of the country. This area is quite different from the capital of the country. And in 1971, when these rag pickers had migrated from Bangladesh, from where they have migrated, these rag pickers were migrated from Bangladesh. Okay, these rag pickers were migrated from Bangladesh. The area had been a wasteland that time. Simapuri area had been a wasteland. Simapuri was still a wasteland actually, but now it was not empty. The area was wasteland, but the area was not empty now. It is not empty now. Almost 10,000 rag pickers lived there in structures of mud. Okay, in the house made of mud with roofs made of thin sheet of tin or plastic material that is called tarpaulin. Okay, there was no sewage no drainage or running water facility in Simapuri. No sewage, no drainage or any kind of running water facility there. No facilities were available there. So they lived in very unhygienic condition. The rag pickers family lived in a unhygienic condition. It was a piece of land, piece of wasteland where the garbage of the city was collected. Simapuri was the piece of that wasteland where the garbage of Delhi, garbage of the city collected at that place. So these people had started living there illegally. These people, the rag pickers, started living there illegally. Now, they have lived here for more than 30 years without an identity, without permits, but with ration cards that get their names on voter list and enable them to buy grain. Food is more important for survival than an identity. If at the end of the day we can feed our family and go to bed without an aching stomach, we would rather live here than in the fields that gave no grain. Say a group of women in tattered sari. When I ask them why they left their beautiful land of green fields and rivers, the narrator asked one of the women, and what she replied. Now see, so the rag picker had been living illegally in Simapuri for the last 30 years and they have occupied the area without government permission. The permit here means government permission on or any kind of ownership. The politician of the area have provided them ration card. The MLAs, the ministers. So the politicians of that area provided them ration card and voter identity cards. Illegally students, okay? That is not allowed, but they provided them. They got grocery for their family through these ration cards, and in return, they cast their votes. That's why, okay, in favor of the politician who had helped them in providing ration cards and voter ID card. So they did. And the writer asked a group of women, that who were wearing torn sari. Tattered sari means torn sari. Who were wearing torn sari, that why did they leave their homes in Dhaka? That was very beautiful place. So why did they leave that place? They replied, what the women replied? They replied that if they were able to satisfy the hunger. See, yes, when the narrator asked that why they leave that place, wherever they find food, they pitch their tents that become transit homes. Children go up in them, becoming partners of survival, and survival in Simapuri means rag picking. Through the years, it has acquired the proportion of a fine art. Garbage to them is gold. It is their daily bread, a roof over their heads, even if it is a leaking roof. But for a child, it is even more. So when the women replied, they were happier to live in Simapuri than their fields in Dhaka, which were ruined and gave them no food. Simapuri, that Dhaka, in that area, they were unable to get food. That's why they were happy to live here in Simapuri. So these people traveled in search of food, and wherever they found it, they set up temporary homes. Transit homes means temporary homes, and started living there. Their children kept on growing there, and gradually they also started helping their parents in seeking means of survival. For those who lived in Simapuri, the means of survival was rag picking. Only the means of survival for them is rag picking. Okay, and as they had been doing it for many years, they became trained at the rag picking and did it well. For the rag pickers, the garbage was as precious as gold, as precious as gold, and they gathered torn or damaged sheets which were used to cover the roof of their homes, that tarpaulin sheet, okay, of their homes. These did not cover them well. Actually, it was leaking roof, okay. These roofs did not cover them well, but still provided them with some protection. Still provided them some protection. For the children, the garbage dumps were more than a means of survival. For parents, the garbage is the means of survival, but for the children, that is more than that. Okay? Because they were something else. Okay, students, so this is it for this video. Listen it again and again and try to understand. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.